Hi everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to level up your toon shading on face shadows. Want to know how to get that super smooth transition effect? Let's go. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to use an SDF map to optimize face shadows. But some of you mentioned that the shadow map gets weird during transitions between each shadow pass. That's because the method I introduced earlier was only an approximation, and you can still see that the final result isn't perfectly smooth. So today, I'll walk you through two new approaches that will give you a perfect face shadow SDF map. The first method still uses Substance Designer. This time, I built a new tool with a more refined algorithm. You can get it for free on Fab. If you find my tutorials helpful, you can also support me by purchasing the professional version. I'm not going to dive into the complicated math behind it, but I can walk you through the basic idea. The goal of this algorithm is to find the median value in each image. By increasing the number of iterations step by step, you can eventually get that silky smooth result. By default, it works with 8 images. Now I'm going to show you the steps when using just 3 images. Here are the 3 shapes I've prepared. What we need is to extract the data between each pair of images and then add them up and take the average. Since there are 3 combined results here, we'll enter 3 as the input. You might notice it's not perfectly smooth right now. Just increase the step count, and you'll get a super smooth result. Let's add a levels node to check if it worked. Great. If you're not familiar with Substance Designer, then let me show you the second method. Here, we'll upload 8 images to GPT. I'm using the thinking model for this. Then we'll apply the following keywords, which I've included in the video description. It looks nice. The result from GPT came out inverted. So let's flip it back and compare. Looks like there isn't much difference. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing. It really motivates me to create more high-quality content for you.